Hi, my name is Nia, and I'm an incoming ninth grader, and at Brooklyn Tech. I just completed my final milestone on my laser turret. Basically, for my final milestone, I assembled the servos and laser into this. And then I also put in some code so that the servos turn randomly, and then this shoots at random amounts. How it works is I used a bunch of zip ties to put it together. You can see that from the back that there is this, which the white thing is attached to the servo, and then I just used zip ties to attach that to this servo. I did sort of the same thing at the top, and using zip ties to attach the laser to this white thing. Then the code generates a bunch of random numbers for like how many shots it should take in each burst and how far it should turn for each one. And then it uses that and so that this moves in the correct way. I also used some of the leftover zip ties to bundle up my wires so that they were more manageable. My biggest challenge was when I was about to finish, and then this wire came out and it's not supposed to, so I had to solder it back in. But to do that, I had to take my laser out of the zip ties. I managed to solder it back in, but when I wanted to put the laser back, the zip ties had fallen off and I couldn't get them back on, so I had to go and get new zip ties. While doing this, I noticed that this zip tie end was interfering with the servo moving to its extremes. And so I clipped the end really short, almost so much that you can't see it, so that now the servo can just pass right over it. So what I learned from this is that even if something bad happens, you can still identify other things that and improve stuff. Like, before I had done all of that, I never even realized that this was causing the problem. I just was like, that's weird, it's not moving to its extremes and it sounds like it's stuck. And I dismissed it as maybe the code is having it to go to farther degrees than it's able to. So I was looking at the code and trying to look up how far the servo could turn when that was not the problem at all. Thank you.